Hello everyone, welcome to TV Math Hub. This is your study pattern for competitive exams. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to TV Math Hub. It is completely free of charge, but you will always get notified whenever new videos are uploaded. In our today's session, I will be taking you through one of the most tricky questions. You will be given only 30 seconds to think about the method of solving it, and if possible, to also come up with the answer. Otherwise, we shall be able to solve it together after the 30 seconds. Here is the question. So you are supposed to solve for x, and here is the given expression. 8 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 56 minus 4 to the power 26 divided by 30, and you have only 30 seconds, and the time begins now. Hey, the time is over, so let us look at the required solution. So basically we are given we are given that 8 to the power x is same as 2 to the power 56 minus 4 to the power of 26. We are dividing this by 30. So how do we do that? One, we shall try to look at what we are given. We have 8 here, we have 2 here, we have 4 here. So what we can do is to express 8 in terms of 2, to express 4 in terms of 2. And this will give us 8 is same as 2 to the power 3. 8 is same as by 2 is 4, by 2 is 2, and by 2 is 1. So this is same as having 2 to the power 3, but the whole of this is to the power x, which is equal to 2 to the power 56 minus 4. 4 is same as 2 to the power 2. So this is same as minus 2 to the power 2, but the whole of this is to the power 26. So we are dividing this by 30. So basically that is what we are having, and from here, so we shall multiply these powers together. We have 2 to the power 3 times x, that is 3x, and this is equal to 2 to the power 56 minus 2 to the power of 2 times 26, and we are dividing this by 30. So we shall have 2 to the power 3x, which is equal to 2 to the power 56 minus 2 to the power 52 divided by 30. So looking at this, you realize now we have 2 to the power 52, 2 to the power 56. So what we can do here is we shall factorize out. So let us factorize out 2 to the power 52. Since this is 56 and this is 52, you factorize out the one with the least power. So we shall put 2 to the power 52 out. When you do that, what will remain here? This is 2 to the power 56, so it will be same as 2 to the power 56, but within 56 we are subtracting the 52 that we have put outside. So this will remain as 2 to the power of 4. 56 minus 52. Then minus here remains 1 when this one is out. So we shall divide this by 30. So that is basically what we are having. So from this given point, we shall now try to simplify this further. Let us try to simplify this further. So doing that, we shall have 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power 52. Then times 2 to the power 4 is 16. So that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 16. So 16 minus 1 is 15. So this is times 15 divided by 30. So this would be the same as 2 to the power 3x, which is equal to 2 to the power 52 times, so by 15 is 1, by 15 is 1, by 15 is 2. So this is same as 1 over 2. Okay, so this would be same as 2 to the power 3x, which is equal to, so this will come up, this is 2 to the power 52 times 2 to the power negative 1. So from here we have 2 to the power 3x, which is equal to 2 when the bases are the same and you are multiplying, so simply add the power. So 52 plus negative 1. So this will be 2 to the power 3x, which is equal to 2 to the power 51. So the bases are the same, so equate the powers. This implies that 3x is same as 51. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So your x will be same as 51 divided by 3, which is 17. and this would be the value of x.
Yeah.